Story 2. A great man having been asked why he wore his seal ring on his left hand, whereas the right possesses so much excellence, replied, Knowest thou not that the meritorious are always neglected? He who has created joy and distress apportions either excellence or luck. And, well, what hand you have the jewelry on or whatever could affect your ability, your use of it, right? So you want to do more good deeds with your more able hand, and you know. But left-hand path and right-hand path are not evil and good. On the right and on the left, on your judgment, that's a different way of speaking. But, you know,